Welcome to our countdown of 10 amazing living room makeovers you can DIY in a weekend. Each project is under $200 and perfect for adding a fresh look to your space. Let's dive in and get inspired. Image. Transform a plain wall into a statement piece with a fresh coat of paint. Choose a bold color that complements your decor. This project is easy and can be completed in just a few hours. Remember, painter's tape is your best friend for those clean edges. Add storage and style with floating shelves. Perfect for displaying books and decor. Installing these requires some precision, so make sure to use a level. The DeWalt drill set can make this job a breeze. Create custom throw pillows to add color and comfort to your sofa. Choose fabrics that match your style and sew them into covers. Mixing and matching patterns can create a dynamic look. Create a personal gallery wall with framed art and photos. Arrange your pieces on the floor to find the perfect layout. This is a great way to display your favorite memories and artworks. Build your own coffee table with a unique design. This intermediate project requires some woodworking skills. The DeWalt drill set is essential for assembling the parts. Choose a durable finish to ensure your table lasts. Upgrade your lighting fixtures to transform the ambiance of your living room. Swapping out old fixtures for new ones can make a big difference. Consider using dimmable bulbs for a versatile lighting experience. Give your old chairs a new lease on life by reupholstering them. This project is perfect for those with some sewing skills. A stain-resistant fabric can ensure your chairs remain pristine. Craft an entertainment center that suits your needs perfectly. This project can be customized to fit your space exactly. The DeWalt drill set will help you put it all together efficiently. Refresh your floor space with a new area rug. It can tie the room together and add warmth. Make sure to choose a rug that complements your color scheme and furniture. Finally, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drill, Driver, and Impact Driver Combo Kit. This versatile tool is a game changer for any DIY enthusiast. With its powerful performance, it's essential for projects like building furniture or installing shelves. At approximately $179, it's a worthwhile investment for your toolkit. Remember, prices can change, so check the current price using the link below. Thanks for watching our top 10 living room makeovers you can DIY in a weekend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to all the tools and materials. Happy renovating!